The USS Midway, launched during World War II but too late to serve, was the first of 3 aircraft carriers of the post-Essex class known as the Midway Class carriers. The U.S. Navy used USS Midway as part of its strategic nuclear weapons task. Some aircraft assigned to USS Midway had nuclear weapon delivery capability. This great Kodachrome color movie footage shows piston-engine, jet-augmented North American A.J. Savage bombers and McDonnell F2H Banshee jet fighters in action. One of the A.J. Savage bombers lands without benefit of a tailhook, rolling into the barrier and damaging a Grumman F9F parked at the front of the deck. You can see the tailhook depart the A.J. as it touches down. The straight deck of the Midway, as seen in these movie clips, was changed to angled decking for safer recovery and launching of aircraft in a major rebuild between June 1955 and September 1957, placing this footage sometime before mid-1955. Some of the F2H Banshees in the film are painted navy blue, others feature a short-lived experiment with treated natural metal finish. USS Midway became a popular museum attraction in San Diego, California in 2004. Like what you see? Then subscribe to the Airailimages channel. We appreciate it, and give this video a thumbs up.